Hello girls. I, sorry. I hope you have watched the video. Now I'll explain how to plot the points given in the exercise 3A. This is the exercise. So first you will take the graph paper. If you have copy, you use copy. Otherwise you take any graph paper and do it there. I'm using small square graph paper. So this is the graph paper. So in the middle I have drawn x-axis, straight line, horizontal line, and the vertical line is y-axis. So now if you count, you will find here there are 10 small squares. There are 10 small squares. So 10 small squares, I am taking 1 unit. So one positive side of x-axis is, right side of x-axis is positive, this is negative axis, this is positive y-axis, this is negative y-axis. So I have taken 1, 2, 3, 4 this way, and this side it is -1, -2, -3, -4 like that. Y-axis similarly I have taken 1, 2, 3 positive side, negative side I have taken -1, -2, -3, -4 like that. Then this is very important, you have to write the unit you have taken. So I have written along x-axis and y-axis 10 small squares. 10 small squares, I have shown you 10 small squares is equal to 1 unit. So this is the first part. Next, in the video I think you have seen, this is called first quadrant, this is called second quadrant, this is called third quadrant, and this is called fourth quadrant. So first quadrant, you see, this is positive, x positive, y positive, so both the coordinates will be positive here. Second coordinate, this part positive, x is positive, y is x is negative and y is positive, so it is minus plus. Then third quadrant, x-axis is negative and y-axis is negative, so both will be negative here. Fourth quadrant, x-axis is positive and y-axis is negative, so it is plus minus. Is that clear? Now let us plot the points here. In which quadrants, number 1, you have to just identify the quadrant. So -6, 6. First, you remember, first coordinate is the x coordinate and second is y coordinate. So first coordinate you have to count along x-axis, and second coordinate you have to count along y-axis. So -6, 6 means -6, so x is negative, so minus this side and y is positive. So which quadrant? It is second quadrant. Then 6, -5. 6 is positive. First quadrant, first coordinate is 6. So this is positive. And -5, y is along negative axis. So it is in the fourth quadrant. Then 3, 7. X is positive, y is also positive, so it will lie in the first quadrant. minus 3 comma minus 4. So along x-axis minus 3, along y-axis minus 4. So both are negative, so it is in the third quadrant. So number 2, on which axis do the following points lie? 4 comma 0. Here you must remember one thing. You just see 4 comma 0. If I want to plot, then first coordinate is 4. So along x-axis I'll count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then along y-axis it is 0. So it will be here only. 0 means I cannot move. So it will be here only. That means no need to show it. No need to plot. You have to just identify the axis. So if any one of the coordinate is 0, either it will lie on x-axis or it will lie on y-axis. So here you just see carefully. 4 comma 0 means y coordinate is 0. When we plot it on the graph paper, we got it is 4. Then along y-axis it is 0, so it will be here only, so it will lie on x-axis. So if y coordinate is 0, the point will lie on x-axis, and if the x coordinate is 0, then it will lie on y-axis. So 4 comma 0, it will lie on y coordinate is 0. Y coordinate is 0, so it will lie on x-axis. Then next, x coordinate is 0, so it will lie on y-axis. Third, x coordinate is 0, it will lie on y-axis. Then last one, it is y coordinate is 0, so it will lie on x-axis. Then number 3, draw the lines x and y prime o y as coordinate axis on a graph paper. Plot the following points on it. Third one, you have to plot the points. So I'll just show you one or two, then you will do it on the graph paper. You have got the idea by watching the video also. Still I am explaining, so I think you can do it. So I have already taken, so it is x, o, origin is o, x prime, then y, o, y prime. So next, what to plot? First one, it is 4 comma 7. 4 comma 7. So first coordinate is 4. That means we have to count along x-axis. 4 is positive, so this is positive part. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 7 is y coordinate. That means along y-axis I have to count. 4 is here. So along this vertical line I'll move to 7. 7 is positive, so this is the positive side. So I'll count along 4. I'll count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this point will be 4 comma 7. Similarly, second one, b minus 4 comma 3. So x coordinate is negative, minus 4. So I'll count along negative side of x-axis. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Then along this line I'll count 3. So it is 1, 3 means positive, so positive side of y-axis. So 1, 2, 3. So this point will be minus 4 comma 3. So this way you have to do the rest of the problem. So try till number 3 how to plot the points. I hope you can do it. So complete these problems and you have to show me. I'll give you the date, so accordingly you will upload your work. Okay, thank you girls.